Good morning, guys. I'm going to show you on your BMW. It's a 220, this one. That if you press the BC button there, you'll see there's your time there. All right. Now, lots of times when you disconnect the battery, that time will disappear. So I'm going to show you how to reset that time. All right. So you come over here and you go menu. All right. And you'll see settings there. Okay. Now this will select the settings. Okay. Press it, and then you scroll. By turning this, you scroll up and down there. All right, and you just go in there by pressing that button again. Okay, and then you press that button again, and then you can adjust your time here. Press it again, you'll go over to minutes. And you press it again, it saves it, and then whatever time you set there will then, if you press the BC button here, appear there. Right, and you can do the same with the date. Thank you very much. If this helped you, please like and subscribe.